Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do this daisy pattern over clear nails. So here I went ahead and filled the nails that she had on previously, and we did lose a couple, so I went ahead and I sculpted out a few of those. And this first color we're going to start off with is from Light Elegance. This is Yellow Jacket, and it's this bright light yellow color. So it's the perfect pop, and it's kind of like a neon, but it's on the lighter side. So I'm going to paint this color on her pinky, pointer, and on her thumb. And the next color we're going to use is again from Light Elegance. This is Swing by Sweden. This one is from their winter collection. And this is a pretty iridescent. It kind of shifts from a yellow to a blue, just depending on the lighting and what color it's over. So we're going to paint this on her ring finger as well as her middle finger. And this is going to give it a little bit of sparkle in the background while still keeping that clear nail. And here I'm putting a second coat of Yellow Jacket, and then off camera I do go in and put a third coat of Yellow Jacket. Sometimes the brighter and neon ones do need that third coat just to make sure that the pigment is completely covering the nail. And now we're going to go in and draw the daisies. So I will be using Perfect White from Madam Glam as my gel polish. And then the nail art brush I will be using is from Midi Burns. This is Minty Zero. This is just a fine detailer brush. And so for this design, we had a couple different ones for inspiration pictures. I'm not sure who the original artist is, but we found several different versions of this design. So I just kind of went in and did my own way and used my own colors for this design. So I'm going in and I'm drawing out the daisies with the white gel polish. And one thing I will note is that using the white gel polish, it is quite runny. And so I did flash cure in between each flower, but I think next time I would have used either an acrylic paint or found gel paints that were specifically made to do nail art with. If I had used one of those other two, I would have been able to get a lot better detail on the daisies. Now, my daisies came out okay. I do think I could have done better, but looking at them from far away and just having them scattered on the nails, they still look cute and it gets the point across. But definitely next time I think I would choose a different paint to draw the daisies with, and next time I put some more detail into it. And after we have all the daisies drawn out, I'm going to go in and fill them with a center. So I will be using Chestnut from Beamy Beauty Box. And this is one of their leaf gels, so it is super shiny and reflective. And this color is a beautiful, like chocolate, kind of chestnut color. And so I'm going to use a dotting tool and just place it in the center of the daisies. And so here's what the nails are looking like, and now we're ready to go in with top coat. So we'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny for top coat. So here is how the nails turned out, and they are cute, don't get me wrong, but I do wish I had done the daisies a little differently. But as far as the overall design, I think they're super cute, fun for this in-between spring and summer weather that we've been having here in Albuquerque. And I feel like the trend of clear nails is definitely coming back into style. I've been seeing quite a few for this spring-summer season on Instagram. And I've just been dying to do some bright nails like this. So this was a fun set, and it was fun to try out like the clear nail trend with some glitter in the background. Swing by Sweden is so beautiful, and I think it pairs well with any color. Like, that is going to be a staple in my collection. If you don't have it and you're a nail tech, I would definitely go buy it. And Yellow Jacket I think is going to be an awesome color for the spring and summer as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!